Hi, I'm Susan. I am a realtor and I give Excel 5 out of 5 stars. For more reviews like this, click below. Honestly, prior to using Excel, I would have used just a pen and a paper, made my own sort of spreadsheet a good 15, 20 years ago, started out just trying to organize my information, make calculating easier. And coming from pen and paper world or, a chart of accounts in a book, Excel has been a world of a difference. So I went ahead and was introduced to Microsoft Excel actually through schooling. And as soon as I started utilizing it and wanting to learn more about it and finding out all of the functions and features that it gave me with such ease, I couldn't stop. I couldn't see using anything else. It simplified my life extraordinarily so. In utilizing the data for formulas, calculating, budgeting, you name it, and it just made my life that much easier. Getting started with Excel was definitely a learning process. It is highly functional and you have the ability to do anything and everything with it. So of course there are learning curves, maybe taking a few classes and tutorials to get familiar with how to work through all of the cells, the functions, the data, what you can and can't do with it. I think it's definitely going to take a little bit of time, but once you've gotten everything down, it becomes an automatic process that is a breeze. So for anyone that is interested in looking into getting Excel, utilizing it for your personal use or business, I would definitely say look at some YouTube videos, look up some tutorials. It's very user-friendly, but it has so much capacity in anything that you want to do with it that sometimes there are hidden talents there that you don't even know are there unless you look them up or learn more about them. So definitely do your research, but go into it with an open mind and patience. Give yourself grace in learning all of its amazing functions and you will do wonders.